What's up, guys? These are some of the best exercises you can do for the delts, for the front delts, the lateral delts, and the rear delts. Give them a try and let me know what you think. All right, tell me how they work for you, because they're amazing. You will see the pump. You will actually see proper development in them if you eat properly, obviously, and you do the exercises on a regular basis. When it comes to working your front delts and your rear delts, you want to make sure you flare your elbows a bit. That way it actually hits the shoulder muscles even more so, okay? Do that and you will definitely feel it. To get the most out of your lateral delt movements, you want to ensure your elbow goes above your shoulder. That's why you see I tend to do a motion like I'm pouring a drink out of my hand. You pick the weights up and you pour. That way you get maximum stretch on the lateral head of the delt muscle. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's keep this going. All right, hope these tips help you and you make some serious gains.